Welcome to the configuration video for process templates in Business Central using Mekorma Payment Hub. If you haven't already watched our video on creating build IDs, be sure to watch that first, as that is a prerequisite to using process templates. So let's begin. So a process template is created, and that will help you make your payments with Action Board. So to do that, navigate to the process templates page. And you'll see here on the home page you have all of your existing process templates. And so to create a new one, click New, and we'll give it a name. We'll call this one All, and it will capture all of our payments. So first you select the company that you would like to use. In this case we'll select Cafe Charisse, and then select your general journal template. If you're using remote payment services, your RPS templates will show up here, and that's Corpay, but we'll continue with payments here. And then select your document number series. Any one of these is fine to use, so we'll use campaign. And then down here you can select if you want to use a constant batch number, and if you enable that you can then select your constant batch number. If it's disabled, it will default to a payment journal batch number, and this one, the general journal payment, is automatically selected when you select payment. You can also change this to whatever you want, but we will continue with leaving as general journal payment. Then select the bank that you're using, your bank payment type, in this case we'll say computer check, and then here you select your build ID that you previously created. So we'll select high balance 7 days here. Once this is all ready to go, you click insert template detail line, and now it's entered into the build lines down here. And you'll notice then that the build details remain filled in, stays the same, and this is for your convenience. So if you want to change the build ID, you want to keep every other configuration the same, but you want to select your low balance 15 days, you can then insert that line. If you want to change the bank payment type on another line, you can do that. If you want to change any configurations, those can be done. And then once you select a different company, so we'll select Rubens Records, you'll see that it clears out, and then you have to start fresh. And then once you have all your build lines added to the process template down here, you can delete a line if you realize that you don't need it. You just click delete on the select a line and click delete. You can move them up and down and reprioritize them. That's helpful if you're using remote payment services, and you would probably want to prioritize an RPS enabled build line, and that way that if there's any issues when you're building, when the RPS payments are being processed with Action Board, if there's any issues with those payments that don't go through there, they may get captured in subsequent build lines. And so it's just a nice way to make sure that all your payments get captured. You can also change the build ID on a line that you've added, and that's just another configuration trick here. And once you've completed building everything and you're happy with what you have, all you need to do is return to the main screen, and you'll see that your new template is here, and you are good to go. And that is it for creating process templates with Mekorma Payment Hub. Thanks for watching the video.